Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter 2, fraction. Chapter 2, fraction. Are you ready for the class? Okay. In this chapter, we learn about some topics. More about fraction, comparison of fraction, ascending and descending order of fraction, addition of like fraction and subtraction of like fraction, and fraction stories. Fraction stories. Okay. All of you take your text. Page number 80. Page number 80. Are you ready? Okay. Fraction. Our chapter name is fraction. What is fraction? A fraction as a part of whole. Fraction as a part of whole. Okay. In our textbook, some questions are there. Let us begin with some questions. Shade the figures according to their fraction given. Shade the figures according to the fraction given. Okay. Here, fraction is 1 by 2 and first one is this and second one is 3 by 4. Okay. Fraction is 1 by 2. Shade the fraction. Okay. How to shade this fraction? 1 by 2. In this square is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 parts, one part is shaded. Okay. Okay, 1 by 2. Fraction ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 1 by 2 എന്ന fraction ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? 1 by 2. അപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ 2 parts ആണ്. ടോട്ടൽ 2 parts ൽ 1 part നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കേ. Other one, next one. Fraction is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This triangle is divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. How many parts we shaded? 3 parts. 1 and 2 and this one also 3 parts shaded. Fraction is 3 by 4. Fraction is 3 by 4. Out of 4 parts we shaded only 3 parts. Okay, take it. Did you finish? Okay, then remains are your homework. Okay, fraction as a part of whole. Fraction means fraction as a part of whole. Fraction as a part of whole. Okay, fraction as a part of whole. Listen. All of you listen here. This is square. This is square. Okay. This square is divided into 2 equal parts. This square is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is shaded. This part is only one part is shaded. Okay. Total number of parts 2. We shaded only one part. Okay. We shaded only one part. How to write fraction? How to write? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Total number of parts 2. We want to shade only one part. Okay. The fraction is 1 by 2. Fraction is 1 by 2. Okay. Fraction is 1 by 2. It means 1 out of 2 equal parts. 1 out of 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts is one part. 2 equal parts is one part. Okay. Here 1 is the numerator. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay. Denominator is the number of parts considered. Number of parts considered. Number of parts considered by total number of parts. Total number of parts. Total number of parts that make a whole. That make the whole. Okay. Listen here. Fraction is 1 by 2. Okay. This square is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is shaded. The fraction is 1 by 2. Fraction is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the fraction. Here 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay. Denominator is the number of parts considered. Number of parts considered. Denominator is the total number of parts that make the whole. Okay. Numerator എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആ ടോട്ടൽ പാർട്സിന് എത്ര പാർട്സ് നമ്മൾ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്തു എന്നാണ്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്നുള്ളത് ടോട്ടൽ പാർട്സ്. ഒരു ഇവിടെയാണ് സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. ഈ സ്ക്വയറിന് നമ്മൾ എത്ര പാർട്സ് ആയിട്ട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ. Then can you follow me? Okay. Another example. Listen here. The square is divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts is shaded. 2 parts is shaded. Okay. 2 parts is shaded. How to write the fraction? How to write? Total parts 4 and number of parts shaded 2. 2 by total number of parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total number of parts 4 parts. Okay. Here 2 is the numerator or denominator. 2 is the numerator. 2 is the numerator. Okay. Then 4 is the denominator. 4 is the denominator. 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Denominator denotes k. Okay. I will explain one more time. In this square is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 part is shaded. The fraction is 2 by 4. Total number of parts 4. We write 4 is here. Number of parts shaded രണ്ട് പാർട്സ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്തു. ആ എത്ര പാർട്സ് ആണോ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അത് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ വരയുടെ മുകളിലായിട്ട് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് പാർട്സ്. ടോട്ടൽ എത്ര പാർട്സ് ഉണ്ട്? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 പാർട്സ് ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ ടോട്ടൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പറിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ വരയുടെ താഴെയായിട്ട് എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. We got the fraction 2/4. 2 here, 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay. The students, the word fraction comes from the Latin word fractus, that means broken. The word fraction comes from the Latin word. Latin word എന്നാണ് fraction എന്ന വേർഡ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ലാറ്റിൻ വേർഡിൽ എങ്ങനെ പറയും? ഫ്രാക്ടസ്. ഫ്രാക്ടസ്. That means broken. വിഭജിക്കുക അല്ലേ? broken means വിഭജിക്കുക അല്ലേ? Then page number 81, mental maths. Identify the numerator and denominator in the given fraction by writing n or d. n equal to numerator and d is the denominator. n is the numerator and d is the denominator. Okay. So many questions are there. I will explain 2 questions only. Okay, and remains are your homework. First one A. 4/5. 4/5. We write the numerator and denominator. 4 is the numerator or denominator? Numerator, and 5 is the denominator. Okay. B. 3/6. 3/6. Here 3 is the numerator or denominator? 3 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then, while a fraction is a part of whole, the whole is always considered as 1. Like, ഒരു whole part എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അല്ലേ മുഴുവൻ പാർട്ടാണ് അല്ലേ? How to write the fraction? How to write? Whole part, whole is always considered as 1. Okay. Fraction is 1/2. Sorry. 1/1, 2/2, and 3/3, and 4/4, etc. Whole part. Okay. Then next one, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Make the fraction using the given numerator and denominator. The first one has been done for you. Okay. First one is exercise 1.2.1. Exercise 2.1. Okay. Numerator and denominator fraction. Okay. First one A. All of listen here. Numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. How to write the fraction? How to write? 2/3. Fraction is 2/3. Okay. Next one by 5 is the fraction. Okay. Next one, third one, C. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. How to write the fraction? How to write 3 by 8. Fraction is 3 by 8. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Good. Next one. More about fraction. More about fraction. More about fraction. Okay. All of you study this table. Okay. Figure shaded fraction, numerator and denominator and fractions remaining. Fractions remaining. Fraction remaining. Okay. Okay. First here is this. Okay. Okay. One part is shaded. Total number of parts? 2 parts. Shaded fraction. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the fraction. 1 by 2 means half portion. Okay. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts and fractions remaining. Remaining fraction 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Then next one is three equal parts shaded 2 parts. Okay. Shaded fraction is number of parts shaded 2. 2 by total number of parts 1, 2, 3. Fraction is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay, 2/3. How to read? 2/3. Okay, here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. 3 equal parts. 3 equal one third. One third. How to read? One third. It is written as one third. Okay. Then next one is total number of parts 4. Out of 3 parts shaded only 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts. Shaded fraction is 1 by 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 parts നമ്മൾ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്തു. 4 parts ൽ നമ്മൾ 3 parts ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്തു. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. How to write? 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. Okay. 3/4. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. 4 equal parts. How many equal parts? 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. Then fractions remaining. Remaining fraction is 1. Remaining fraction is 1. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1/4. 1/4. How to write the fraction? 1 by 4. Just read as 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Next one. Next one. Next one. One, 2, 3, 3, 4. Total number of parts? Total number of parts? 5 parts. 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, we shaded 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, shaded fraction is 4 by 5. Shaded fraction is 4 by 5. Okay. How to write the fraction? 4 by 5. Shaded fraction is 4 by 5. 4/5. To read as 4/5. Okay, here numerator is 4 and denominator is 5. 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. Okay. 5 equal parts. Okay. Then fractions remaining. Fractions remaining. Only one fraction. 1 by 5. Out of 5, one fraction is remaining. 1 by 5. How to it is read as 1/5. 1/5. 1/5. 1/5. Okay. Listen here. We'll explain one more time. Here, this square is divided into two equal parts. 1 and 2. Shaded fraction is 1 by 2. How portion shaded? Here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. 2 equal parts. Total number of parts 2. Fractions remaining 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 means half portion. Then next one is out of 3 equal parts we shaded 2 parts. Shaded fraction is 2 by 3, 2/3. Then 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Total number of parts 3 equal parts. Fractions remaining 1 by 3, 1/3. Okay, next one is total number of parts 4, 3 by 4, 3/4. This read as 3/4. Okay, numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. 4 equal parts. Fractions remaining 1 by 4, 1/4. Okay, next one. Next one. Okay. Total number of parts 6. Out of 6 parts, we shaded only 5 parts. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3 and 4 and 5. 5 parts. Shaded fraction is number of parts shaded 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5. Total number of parts 6. This read as 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 6. Fractions remaining 1 by 6. 1, 6. 1, 6. Okay. Then next fraction. Next one is 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 equal parts. Out of 7 equal parts, we shaded only 6 parts. Okay, how to write the shaded fraction? Shaded fraction is 6 by 7. Shaded fraction is 6 by 7. How to read? 6, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay, numerator is 6 and denominator is 7. 7 equal parts. 7 equal parts. Here 6 equal parts. And we want to write the fractions remaining. Fractions remaining 1 by remaining fraction is 1. Then out of total number of parts 7. Okay, 1, 7. 1, 7. Okay. Then last one is 8 equal parts into any 8 equal parts. We shaded 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is read as 7 8. 7 8. 7 7 8. Then here numerator is 7 and denominator is 8. 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts. Then remaining fraction is 1 out of total number of parts 8. Fraction is 1 by 8. 1 8. 1 8. Okay, I will explain one more time. This figure is total number of parts 6. Out of 6 parts, 5 part is shaded. 5 parts is shaded. Shaded fraction is 5 by 6. Is read as 5 6. Okay. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 6. 6 equal parts. Then remaining fraction is 1 by 6. 1/6. Okay, 1/6. Then second one is next one is this square is divided into 7 equal parts. In 7 equal parts, 6 parts is shaded. Shaded fraction is 6 by 7. 6 7th. Just read as 6 7th. Numerator is 6 and denominator is 7. That means 7 equal parts. Fractions remaining 1 by 7. Fractions remaining 1 by 7. 1 7. Okay. Then last one is total number of parts 8. Out of 8 parts, 7 parts is shaded. Shaded fraction is 7. Fraction is 7 by 8. Okay. Then numerator is 7 and denominator is 8. Fractions remaining 1 by total number of parts 8. Fraction is 1 by 8. Okay. Did you understand this? Did you understand? Okay. Good. Next one is exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, so many questions are there. I will explain 1 or 2 questions remains are your homework. Okay. Question is, what fraction of whole is shaded? The first one has been done for you. Okay. Exercise 1.2.2. Exercise 2.2. First one is okay. Dear students, listen here. This is rectangle. This rectangle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, 1 part is shaded. Okay. How to write the fraction? How to write? 1 by 2 is the fraction. 1 by 2 is the fraction. Write it. Write it. Then next one is B. B. Okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Total number of parts 8. Okay. Number of parts shaded 2. 2 by 8 is a fraction. Okay. Write it. Okay, good. And remains your homework. And second one is write the fractions on the number line and circle the given fractions. The first one has been done for you. Okay. Second one, number line. Draw the number line. 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Okay. 2 by. Okay. Then second one. Second one is write the fractions on the number line and circle the given fraction. Okay. First one. A. Draw the number line. 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3. 3 by 3. That means 1. 3 by 3 means 1. Whole number. Whole part. Okay. Then 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Circle 2 by 3. Circle 2 by 3. Here. Circle this fraction. 2 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means whole part. Okay. Circle part is circle the fraction 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is here. Okay. Circle this part. Okay. This fraction. And B 0, 1 by 4. Okay. And 4 by 4. That means 4 by 4 means 1. Whole part. Fraction. Whole part. Okay. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Circle this fraction. 3 by 4. Okay. Fraction is 1 by 4. Next fraction is 2 by 4. And next fraction is 3 by 4. And next one is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. Okay. Circle this fraction 3 by 4. This is not 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Okay. Circle this fraction 3 by 4. Write it. Okay. Ready, finished. Okay. Dear students, remains your homework. Okay. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay. Thank you.